everyone, Ronan back, and we're going to be doing a music reaction today, and we're going to be taking a look at Stray, which is part of the Wolf's Rain OST. We thought we moved on from Wolf's Rain, but got a request from YouTube. Arteria Pendragon, I think that's how you say the name, because it's from Fate Stay Night, King Arthur, right? So I know where it's from. Like, I really love the show, but I can't remember how to pronounce the name. Anyway, this is the intro to the show Wolf's Rain, and we, if you're not familiar with me, I actually have the entire reaction series on YouTube now. So if you're a big Wolf's Rain fan, feel free to dive on into that and check it out, because there's not too many reactors for it right now, if any. So we're going to go ahead and dive on into this.
Stray, stray.
If you're familiar with the show, you're obviously you can probably visualize this whole thing.
In the cold breeze that I walk along, the memories of generation burn within me. Been forever since I cried the pain and sorrow. I live and die, proud of my people gave me.
That bass guitar is getting down. Man, that bass guitar is putting in some work, for sure. If you guys just take the time to focus just on the bass, that dude is going off, whoever that is. I wonder if they're hitting harmonics. If that's what it is. I don't think I've heard the full version. Now that I'm hearing this. Sorry to pause during the chorus, but there's just so much going on in this song, yet it's still it's like funky and chill at the same time, because you got that bass just popping off the entire time. That's probably like the most active person in the group, while the drums, they're doing some fills that are very they kind of feel like jazzy to me. And then, yeah, the guitar's funky, and the vocalist is just very melodic. Yeah, it's this stuff I haven't heard. Okay, this is totally new. For me, anyway. Love all the inclusion of all the other stringed instruments, like the orchestra in the background, kind of getting in their due in those fills. The guitar player was shredding. We might be coming up on the end here. Oh, we're just gonna do a slow fade out, I guess. Okay. Well, so interesting. I actually have not heard that. Not the full version. I think I was thinking of maybe listening to the TV show Size just by itself, and I thought that was the full version, but that was a lot longer than anything I've heard of that song. So that was my first time for sure. Yeah, a lot of there was a few points in there, like some bridges in there that they were doing that I haven't heard at all, where they had to kind of maybe some slightly like descent kind of stuff and kind of go into some different octaves, some breakdowns, things like that. But overall, kind of like this really chill, funky kind of jam. It's just interesting listening to it now versus hearing it a million times over when we were going through the show. It's kind of a different experience doing it this way, because now I can just focus on the music. Like, even though I can kind of picture the entire intro while I'm listening to that, except for the parts where we kind of veer off from the TV version. But there's no way I can hear this song and not picture the intro. Like, that's what this song is to me, is Wolf's Rain, basically. So that was pretty smooth stuff. I had fun listening to that. Hope you guys had fun watching it. But that's it for me, guys, and I'll see you next time.